Hey, welcome back, Gunpowder Therapy. Hey, we got another video, me and my son. You know, he making a lot of appearances in a lot of these videos lately. He just like coming out here, he like shooting. A little nervous, but it's all right, he's getting over it. Hey, today we ain't got much, man. We're going Palmetto State Armory, AR-15 9mm. AR-15 platform, 9mm. It's a 9mm carbine, 20 round mag. You know, that's all I try to do for real. So we're just gonna shoot it, have fun out here, man. We got a target down there, you know, about 10 yards. So we finna shoot it and we finna have some fun. So y'all stay tuned, watch, and enjoy. Oh, you got a positive word? Be yourself. Be true to yourself. And if don't nobody like it, it's all right. Because not everybody likes everybody. So, be true to yourself and who you are.
Hey, also, you've seen worse days. That don't mean you're going to see more worse days.
True. So here we go, y'all. Ah, that smell good. Headshots, I like that. Pretty accurate, y'all, pretty accurate. You wanna shoot it? About 10 rounds in there?
Yes.
Aim at the target down there.
10 rounds, y'all, 10 rounds.
2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. You gotta aim at the black target. I'm gonna turn the people down there and let them see it. Hopefully they can see it down there. Y'all, this video ain't gonna be too long, man. Sun beaming. Making the phone hot. You can't do that when it's hot. Why you showing that? We're not shooting that. Here. Yeah, y'all can see the target down there.
So just
Go ahead.
do like this?
Just aim, actually aim. Where's you aiming? You wasn't that boy, you supposed to aim.
I can't really aim because it morphs.
What is wrong with this boy? Aim! Alright. He just wanted to mad dump it. Hey. I was doing headshots. I was saving the target for him.
I mean, I hit it a few times.
This thing is fun, y'all. It's really fun. I enjoy it. You'll go through ammo like crazy. Very little kickback in it. Good for the kids, too. As y'all see. They like it. I'm turning y'all around. Look at the head. Put 10 more in there for him. And hopefully he'll aim this time at the target. Aim for the black spot on the target. It shows up when you hit it.
I can't really aim because of the muffs.
Is your earplug in all the way?
I don't know.
If your earplug in all the way, you can take the muffs off with this. Make sure they in right. Put this one in. Stop slapping the table. You're rocking the camera. You're rocking the table. So how's that feel? Everything sound muffled? Huh?
Really?
Do what?
Not really.
Because it ain't in all the way. Lift your ear up. Let go. There. Muffled now? Yeah. There you go. All you gotta do is slap the cord. I ain't gonna slap the spot. You can stand over there. I ain't the only one that got caught by safe. Let y'all know we safe around here. Lean forward. I ain't take time to aim. Black spot. There you go. Aim the same way. This is supposed to be on the arm. Like the 750. There you go. Lean forward. That's it.
Yes.
All right, y'all want to go down and see what he did? Look, it's hot out here. This video ain't gonna be long. I'm not sure what all he hit. I know he hit these three, y'all. I don't know, I can't see. Yeah, he hit these three and I seen that one. So, I don't know where this hole came from. And that's what I do. Aim small, hit small. So, I'm fixing to do a little mag dump in this. I think this gonna be the end of the video. Hey, grab me 8 out of there. Grab me 8 out of that. I lied. I need 13.
13.
I need 3 more out of it.
Wait, then how are you supposed to close it?
Push it back in.
But that pushes that part out.
Open that in and push it back in. All right, Sean. Here we go. Quit mad dunk. Where you going? Gonna help end the video? Smells good, y'all. Smells good. Alright. I gotta clean it. That's why it's jamming up like that. I don't think I've ever cleaned this since I've had it. It's been a few years. But come here, boy. Y'all, thanks for watching. I hope y'all enjoy. Please come back again next week where we have another video, another positive word. And until then, y'all be safe, be easy, and always carry. Love y'all.